And nice. Getting success sa hulog na straight lang.
Sa lakas ng suntok ng Pinoy, muntik nang mabulag ang kalaban. Taong 2023 nang pasukin na magaling nating pambato ang sports ng boxing. Naging maganda agad ang panimula ng kanyang karera. Kaya naman taong 2024 ng January ay napalaban agad ang ating pambato na nagmula pa sa probinsya ng General Santos City na si Lawrence Biasong. Kontra sa Japanese fighter na umuukit na rin sa larangan ng boxing na nagngangalang Kyota Watanabe. Ginanap po ang laban nila sa Nostar Resort and Casino Cebu. Ating tunghayan mga idol ang laban ng nagsisimula pa lamang sa sports ang suntukan na si Lawrence Biasong. Pero bago yan mga idol, pakisuportahan natin ang nag-organisa ng Omega Sports dahil sa kanila ay napapanood natin ang mga latest fight ng ating mga paboritong Pinoy boxer. Maraming salamat. Dito po mga idol ay naka black gloves po ang ating pambato na si Lawrence, samantalang yung Japanese fighter ay naka red gloves mga idol. Yung matangkad po yung Hapon mga idol.
Nice.
Dito nga sa round 1 ay maganda agad ang pinapakita ng Pinoy mga idol. Magagandang kombinasyon po yung ginagawa ng ating pambato na si Lawrence.
So Watanabe is your corner. Watanabe is your fighter from the red corner. Blue trunks with white trim. Biasong is your fighter from the blue corner. Black trunks with gold trim. Jab straight there from Watanabe. Wide and low stance for Biasong. Nice uppercut. We're seeing a variety of attacks so far from Lawrence.
Good activity round for both fighters, no? Even though this is just the opening round. Medyo they're not they're very active right.
Nice uppercut para sa ating pambato na si Biasong mga idol.
Nice uppercut. Good uppercut to the body by Lawrence Biasong.
And the good thing about Biasong, after he throws that combination,
10 seconds remaining para sa round 1 mga idol. Talagang maganda yung pinakita dito ng ating pambatong Pinoy na si Biasong.
Final 10 seconds of the opening round.
good lead right hand from
Round 2 na tayo mga idol.
High approach here by Biasong. Kaso kumain.
Parehas nagsisimula pa lamang ito sa sports ang suntukan, pero maganda na po yung pinapakita ng dalawang boksingero mga idol. Nakakabilib po.
Lead straight there by Watanabe. Counter uppercut by Biasong. Now Watanabe tries to lean forward and goes for a clinch.
you know, this is an interesting fight considering that it is Watanabe's first fight and international agad.
The Watanabe Boxing Gym giving their fighters international exposure right away. And of course, we'll see more Japanese fighters in this card.
Usually yung mga ganitong lumalaban outside of their own country, most likely magandang amateur background ito. Kasi for them to have that kind of confidence right away.
And we're seeing it right now. Diba nakikita natin, it's not too anxious. Diba?
Walang gigil.
Oo, walang gigil. It's not really putting too much of everything into his shots.
Puro
Good.
mahilig sa counter punch.
Diba? Very good jab. The defense is there. Biasong goes to the body. Lead hook there by Watanabe. As we approach 1 minute 20 mark in the second.
Malakas na kanan po yung sumapol sa bodega ng Hapon. Napaatras dito ang Hapon mga idol.
Getting some success sa hulog na straight lang. And he snapped the head of Watanabe with that straight right.
Diba? Definitely got the jab.
Pero napakatibay din ng Hapon. Talagang kahit na malakas po yung tumama sa bodega, nakatayo pa din.
Young fighter, ang ganda ng mix-up ng combinations niya.
Oo.
The variety in his punches are really something to see.
Now Watanabe goes to the body. Goes for a hook to the body and a hook to the head. And he's just in front of Lawrence Biasong. More jabs from Watanabe. Lead uppercut.
1-3 combination para sa ating pambatong Pinoy mga idol.
Very
Combination
good.
from Biasong.
Very good uppercut there by Biasong.
Kasi Watanabe is coming to Biasong in a straight line once again, no? Without any lateral movement and change in momentum. So it's easier for Biasong to read.
Straight to the body by Biasong, followed with an uppercut. Final 10 seconds of the second round.
Round 3 na tayo mga idol, at kung hanggang ngayon ay hindi ka pa rin nakakapag-like mga idol, like mo na at pindutin mo na rin yung notification bell, yung subscribe button dyan para lagi kang updated sa mundo ng boxing mga idol. Salamat po at mabuhay po kayo. At pakishare na rin mga idol. Maraming salamat ulit mga idol.
2 hooks to the body by Watanabe. More uppercuts to the body from the Japanese fighter. But he keeps leaning forward. He keeps coming forward. At nakaabang dun yung uppercut ni Biasong when that happens.
Good right hand from Watanabe. Followed with a left hook.
Uppercut and a hook by Biasong.
Nakakatama sa bodega ang Hapon mga idol. Talagang mapapahanga ka rin sa Japanese fighter mga idol.
Good exchange so far.
Oo. Maganda yung push and a punch. Yung pag-lean push, sabay combinations from Biasong.
Magkakasalubog ka dito.
Oo.
This is one of the more competitive rounds, no? Dito sa laban na to compared to the first two.
And a good way to open the main cards for Kumbati 16.
That's right. But Biasong is taking it well, yung body shots ni Watanabe. But again, meron niyang, it will earn dividends later on, no? Yung mga ganyang body shots. Hindi man ngayon, pero later, mararamdaman niya. Good combination. Watanabe needs to stay out of that corner if he wants to stop getting hit. And
But
taking
Biasong
damage.
is doing a good job by cutting him off and leaning forward. Kanina yun yung diskarte ni Watanabe. He was the person leaning on his opponent. Now, Biasong is like returning the favor. So pabalik siya uli. Salubong uli ng jab.
Good body shot. And Watanabe returns to
Good body shot para sa ating pambaton si Biason. Talagang hindi man mararamdaman ng Hapon yung suntok ng Pinoy sa bodega, maya-maya pagkatapos ng laban mararamdaman niya yung sakit na dinulot ni Biasong.
Ages goes back to his jab. Good hook to the body by both fighters.
You can hear the power of
Yeah.
those punches from ringside. Grabe.
Good sneaky uppercut to the head there by Biasong.
A little wild there for
Round 4 na tayo mga idol.
And our boxers are getting busy. More exchanges to the body.
mukhang ayaw nilang itiwala sa judges
Oo.
yung fate yung laban na to.
Nakatatapang.
Oo.
Considering mga baguhan, but makikita mo yung puso sa kanila.
And I think there's a cut on the right eye of
Dito ay nagkaroon ng malaking sugat ang Japanese fighter sa kanang mata mga idol.
walang
And assume
headbutt.
that came from a legal blow.
So there's blood gushing from the
Yung
right
ulo.
eye. From the right eye
Yung ulo, laging nagbabanggaan.
of Kiyota Watanabe.
Talagang makikitaan mo ng tapang ang Japanese fighter mga idol, no? Kahit na may malaking sugat ay patuloy pa rin sa kanyang pangarap.
2 minutes left in this bout.
More uppercuts from Biasong. Hooks to the face from the Filipino fighter.
And I think Watanabe is getting the worst of this exchange, no?
The thing about Watanabe kasi, since he's the longer fighter, he needs to take a half step back to unleash punches. On the other hand, si Biasong, dahil shorter fighter siya, all he needs to do is go inside. Tapos dyan pumapasok lahat ng angles niya for his uppercuts and hooks.
Kasi yung infighting is really favoring Biasong kasi siya nga shorter fighter. And I think Watanabe needs to fight tall.
Dito ay medyo nahihirapan yung Japanese fighter dahil nga sa sugat na natamo niya mga idol, no? Malaking distraction po ito para sa Japanese fighter mga idol.
Nakaka-distract yung yung cut talaga. Sa totoo lang. Sobrang distract talaga.
So paano yun, Mark? Kunyari may cut
Good
yung ganon.
uppercut.
Tapos kahit sa gilid bumabagsak yung dugo, nakaka-bother ka rin.
Yes po, kasi once may cut ka, yung blood, mainit Nakaka-distract. So, lagi mo siyang pupunasan talaga. Kahit sabihin mo na nasa bakbakan kayo, maiisip mo talaga may cut ka. So,
And speaking of cut, ito nga, medyo si Watanabe is slowing down, especially nung na-corner siya. But,
Ooh, good
right
overhand
hand.
right
Mukhang
from
narinig
Kyoto
tayo.
Watanabe.
Too much heart from Watanabe.
So referee calls.
Seconds left, let's see.
Yeah. Just
How
like
this
what
fight will
John
end.
said,
Wow.
infighting favors the shorter fighter. And that's exactly what Lawrence Biasong has been capitalizing on.
Good.
Parehas maganda po yung pinakita ng dalawang boksingerong ito mga idol. Talagang mabibilib ka mga idol. At nanalo po yung Pinoy by a majority decision mga idol. Anong masasabi nyo mga idol sa Pinoy? May pag-asa nga bang si Biason na maging world champion balang araw? I-comment mo lang yan at ating babasahin. Maraming salamat at mabuhay po kayo. Pagpalain po kayo mga idol. Maraming salamat mga idol dahil hanggang dulo ay nanonood pa rin po kayo. God bless you mga idol.